Hi folks, I'd like to show you my latest addition to my homemade workshop tools. What we're looking at here is a horizontal sharpening machine for sharpening the cutters for the engraver that I showed you earlier. I made this from an old dryer that I had. What I did, took the motor out of it, cut down the shafts because they were quite long, and then accommodated them to take this plywood disc. The plywood disc is 1 inch thick, and in the top I used the two spare 30mm by 5mm magnets that I had from the magnetic polisher project, which is over there. Now, the unit itself, the actual metalwork, is actually the piece of the panelling off the dryer itself, and I've bent that on a bender machine I have, and it has a simple plywood base, and then inside there's a middle section which runs through the middle here to give it a bit of stiffness, and in there's the capacitor and the wires to the motor itself. Now this one will run in both directions as well. All I have to do to finish it off is place this white panel in front with a switch on the front, which I still haven't got yet. I'm waiting for. The actual sharpened items I sell for these diamond coated, they're about 1/16 of an inch thick steel plates, and on the top there, as you can see, I've got a guide bush which the disc fits in to stops it from flying off, and the magnets hold it down. So what we'll do, we'll turn it on for you, and I'll show you how it runs. It's a little out of balance, but I can fix that afterwards. But all in all, it runs pretty well. That's running in one direction. I'll just stop the wheel with a handle, otherwise it'll run on forever. So that one was going that way. I change over the polarity on the motor, and it'll go the other way. These cost roughly about £500 if you buy them retail. This one's actually only cost me probably £20 to make altogether. So I'm nearly there with it. I've used the original electric cord off the dryer as well, and the retaining bush in there so the wire's secure. So it's nearly there. So I've got to finish it off, and another really great saving. I'll stop that wheel again. It's because it will run on for a good few minutes. And I've actually got a packet of these sharpening discs in all different grits from eBay. I got a few while I was on. I think I've got 1200 grit, 120, and I think there's a 400 in there as well. You get 3 of those. You get 3 in a pack. I think they're only about £8 or £9 for 3, diamond coated, and it'll do just the job. So thanks again for watching. Bye for now.